And if you haven't seen our last video, we had the biggest tally in Mumbai ever, 45 dishes, guys. Go check that out. We are just walking in the middle of the city. We came across this interesting looking market. They have tons of food, vegetarian, North Indian, guys. I cannot wait to try it. I don't know what to expect, but I'm going to take you to this restaurant, guys. It's like a kind of a fast food.
तो कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, लाइफ को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे, हंसते और मुस्कुराते हुए हम दोनों की तरह। मेरा नाम है राना उमर।
मेरा नाम है शहजाद अली और आज की वीडियो का टाइटल है हाउ इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूडर इन इंडिया, लोकल इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूड स्पॉट। वीडियो क्रिएटेड बाय अल्फोंसो एंड जेसिका।
आप जाए इनके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इनके चैनल का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद होगा। तो अब आए मिलके इस वीडियो को देखते हैं, बाकी जो बातें रहेंगी वीडियो लास्ट पे कर लेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are in Mumbai, India, guys, and I am so excited. This is day 2 of our Mumbai food tour, guys, and we are in the middle of this city called Pauya. I'm not pronouncing it right, but really interesting. It's on the outside of a lake, guys. And if you haven't seen our last video, we had the biggest tally in Mumbai ever, 45 dishes, guys. Go check that out. We are just walking in the middle of the city. We came across this interesting looking market. They have tons of food, vegetarian, North Indian, guys. I cannot wait to try it. I don't know what to expect, but I'm going to take you to this restaurant, guys. It's like a kind of a fast food style. Let's go check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. Great Mumbai, great Mumbai.
Very great.
Okay guys, take a look at this place. It's called K3, fast food, snacks and sweets. So we can have some sweets, we're gonna have some snacks. Looks very popular, guys. Some people had already left. This guy's bringing out fresh samosas. Come with me.
Come with me. Yo bro.
Okay sir.
Come with me.
Ooh.
Fast food. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Beautiful.
Guys, fresh hand-rolled samosas. I have made samosas before. They are a process, okay? Take a look at this tremendous menu. They have so many things on the menu. Guys, they have cheese. Guys, they have cheese pav bhaji. They have the samosa chaat. They have the bel puri, guys. These are super famous. Ooh, they have a mango malai sandwich. Things I've never seen before, guys. We're gonna order some of the most delicious things, guys, and we're gonna try it. Okay, guys, the other side of this place has desserts and snacks. So tons and tons of snacks, all the snacks you can think of, and all of these desserts, guys. Oh my gosh. We are gonna have to try some because there are some things on there that I've never seen before. They got the lassis. Ooh. They got the gulab. Wow, guys. And ooh, they got the vegetarian. So guys, I might even just ask what is the best thing to order here at this fast food joint. It looks super cool. These are the kind of things you don't see in America. It's so interesting. Okay guys, so we just asked a local who is enjoying the food here, what should we get at this restaurant? What is the most authentic thing in Mumbai? So we're gonna have the cheese pav bhaji, guys. This looks so good. We haven't had pav bhaji yet in India, so this is exciting. Then we are going to have the jalebi or jalebi. How do I say that? Jalebi? The last one you tell me? Dalbel. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Okay, there it is. It's called dalbel. We're gonna get that too. And then the last one is the cheese vada pav, guy. Mumbai's famous burger. I cannot wait. I've been looking for the best vada pav, or sorry, the pav. No, now I'm getting them all confused. I've been looking for the best vada pav, guys. So we're gonna place our order over here and we're gonna get the food. Hello. Could I get one cheese vada pav?
Cheese vada pav, okay.
Yes, and one of the cheese pav bhaji.
Okay.
And one of the dabeli. Yes.
With cheese, without cheese.
With cheese. And then we want to get a dessert. Do you want to order the dessert now or after? What do you recommend for dessert? I want something very authentic, like famous Mumbai. Juice. Which one?
Misal pav.
Which
Misal
one?
pav.
Misal pav?
Yeah, Mumbai is very famous misal pav.
Okay, let's get that. That's what he recommended.
એને મુંબઈનું ખાવું છે મુંબઈનું મિસલ એ મુંબઈ જો ને યાર ચાર વડા 345
How much?
345
$3.45? Whoops.
Don't put it in my face.
Okay, hold on.
I take it.
અર્જુન what?
This one?
Yeah,
All of them?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay guys, we got our receipts. I guess you give them, thank you so much. So we,
All give you different counter, okay?
okay.
Glass, misal pav is opposite, vada pav is opposite, and then cheese double is the chaat counter.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, this is interesting. So you go to the counter with the receipt. Okay, so we have the cheese dabeli. We're gonna go to that counter over here. Follow me. Let's go, Alfonso. So over here you can see them already like making the sandwiches.
खाने देख के यार मुश्किल आ गया
Sandwiches, pounds.
खाने खाने देख यार की वजह
I already know this is the guy to get the belly, but okay, it was this guy. Wait, is there anything from you that I can get? What about this one?
Vada pav you'll get now.
Okay, whatever that one is, that's his. For here. Watch out, that's hot oil over there. Thank you. Whoa, that looks tremendous. Okay, guys, this looks so good. Check out over here too, guys. They are cooking the samosas.
खाली पेट बाकी बत्ती नहीं जाती समोसा का कोट समोसा मोटी बोतल लगी
Hello. Okay, guys. I am placing myself at this table here. Wow, all their food looks really good too. Look at this. Cheesy deliciousness.
चीज है यार
Oh, the bun is so soft. Let's get extra cheese on there.
वो चीज है
ये वाली बंद कॉपी है ना
Ooh, that looks so good. Okay. Oh, it looks like inside there's some chutneys too. Oh no.
मुझे दो
Oh my god.
देखी मुझे दो
This is so good. Like full. The potato is perfect. The bun is even better. But the cheese just tops it off. This is so good.
आडला आडला
Alfonso, you want a bite? Alfonso wants a bite. Nice. That is delicious, guys. So this is the cheese vada pav, Mumbai's burger. Insane. Double thumbs up from Alfonso.
ओ अरे ओ
The chutney, the combination, it is better in India. That's my whole thing. He said this food is better in India, guys. So
भाई
good.
ये ना भाई
So,
इसने अच्छी
the
खाई
fun
हुई
thing
है
about this
तो क्या
restaurant is
होता
that
है
you have the receipts, you have to go up to the
बहुत
counters. It's starting to get busy, guys. We're gonna polish off this vada pav I'm going to show you the other dishes that we got. Okay guys, it is so delicious. We're moving on to the next dish. This is the cheese pav bhaji, guys. This is 170 rupees. The vada pav was 55.
बड़ा मजा आया यार सही ना इन्हें ना फ्रेंड डाल दो और ना फ्रेंड डाल दो
Whoa, cooking up some Indo-Chinese. I don't know if it's this one. Yeah, for here. Okay guys, we're getting our cheese. I'm getting them confused. Pav bhaji, vada pav. Oh. Okay. Come here, baby. Huh? Huh? No. For here. This looks interesting.
यार की चीज है यार तुम सारे फ्रूट को जरा ये इंडिया से ना मेरा बचपन भी आ गया है मेरे मुंह से फिलहाल पानी आ रहा है पानी देख के मजेदार मजेदार
It's almost ready.
What's this, Mom?
Ooh, that was great. Thank you. Wow, guys, this looks delicious. Oh my gosh, the cheese pav bhaji. Thank you. Ooh, that looks good. Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. Pav bhaji, guys. I love this dish, but it was so cool to see it all being cooked right in front of you from scratch, guys. This actually took a process. I thought because it's a fast food place, they already had it pre-made, but no, this guy went detailed. Look at this soft bread. Here, Alfonso, you want some soft bread? Here you go. Yes, please. The bread is so good here. Okay, now how you eat this? You're gonna dive it in with some cheesy deliciousness. That is tremendous. the amount of flavor of
Under the
this pav bhaji,
चले यार
but
आप भी
with
खा
the
सकते हैं।
cheese,
आओ यार चले
is another level. I love this. This was totally worth
हमारा भी दिल कर रहा है खाने को
everything coming here. There's some onions here. Let's put some onion. Put some lime.
बड़ा फायदेमंद है बड़ा।
Ooh.
ठंडा
Now we're talking. Now we are talking. It's kind of fun to eat amongst the locals, guys. So you just sit in these little seats or chairs, tables, and just go at it. So much better with the onion. I love raw onion, guys. And lime.
I love onion.
Hey, you, how's the bread?
I'm mixing it.
Because this one might be a little too spicy for Alfonso. So I'm like kind of just giving him the bread. But this is amazing. Vegetarian. We saw all the spices go in it. We saw the potato. We saw the peas. He mushed it up really good. This is excellent. So good, guys. Okay. Let me show you what we got so far. Okay. Now, the next is the cheese dabeli and some misal pav. I actually don't know what that is, but we are gonna try it. Stay tuned and let me know what you think about this food. This is amazing. Okay, guys, we're moving on to the next counter. This is called the cheese dabel. Even though there's an I at the end, I always want to say dabeli, but dabel. Let's go see what this is. I don't even know what this is.
जलेबी भाई गोलगप्पे कट्टा ज़्यादा खाना याद है कट्टा ज़्यादा ले भाई और
That looks good. Guys, everything that I see everyone else order just looks so good. I'm like, that looks so good.
Which one is that one?
That's the pani puri, right?
This is shaved puri.
Shaved
So there are two
puri.
types of puri. This
Yeah.
is shaved. This is the flat one.
Yeah.
And there is the big one. So I asked for a big one. The earlier one was a flat one.
Ah, okay.
In two types.
Oh, okay, cool. So you can have them in two types. One is shaved and one is bigger. Wow, yeah, the lady that actually kind of helped us get what we ordered today, she did say that the puris are very good. So, but we're getting full. We got another dish after this. Guys, look at that. That looks delicious. Oh my gosh. I've been craving cheese. So this just worked out perfectly for me. Looks like there's some toasted nuts and some more of that crispy bits that was on that guy's curry. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I think there's potato inside? Or maybe, yes, potato. I wonder if you put these noodles inside. I'm gonna say yes. And some of these nuts. I don't know. You guys can let me know if I actually do put the nuts inside. Or maybe it's just on the side. Woo! This looks huge. Oh! It's sweet. Alfonso, it's sweet. Mmm. Oh my gosh. What is that? Hold on. I don't even know what that is. That is so good. What was it called again? Dabel. This is insane. This is like a sweet and savory sandwich with cheese crunchiness. It's got like so much texture on here. Alfonso, you need to try this right now. Okay, ready? It's a sweet sandwich.
I don't get nuts. So I
Oh, go on that side. This has no nuts on that side. It's got pink sugar on top of the cheese. Isn't that good? Oh my gosh. I think you do put the nuts. Do you put the nuts on here?
I guess.
Okay, let's.
Crunchier with the
Yeah, it has more texture. I love it. Wow. Is this my new favorite? You want another bite? Alfonso wants another bite. Watch out, baby. I'm sorry. Here, move back. Bite. We gotta face that way. Bite.
Any nuts?
Go. No nuts. I think there's, if you see, there's like some sugar on top of the bread, possibly on the cheese, but it's not overly sweet. It's like just, like, wow, it's really good. Okay, guys. Amazing. We're gonna move on. What do we have? One last one. Misal Pav, guys. I think someone was telling us that it was kind of spicy, so we'll see what happens. Okay, guys. We got the last one. I'm still eating the sweet one. Okay, guys. This is Misal Pav. I just finished off that one. That one was delicious. Misal Pav looks spicy. There's some noodles in here. Well, not noodles, crackers and nuts. I think one of my friends over here was saying that yes, it is spicy. We got a bun over here. Oh, we got some onions. I love the fresh onions, so I'm gonna throw some on. Lemon. Oh no, lime. Sorry, my bad. There we go. Okay. Let's rip. Okay, and let's try. Hold on. Let's get a good dollop here. How spicy? I don't know. Ooh, it's good. It is good. It is very good. You can see that the gravy is a little bit like more watered down. The noodle cracker things are pleasant. There's some peanuts in there. Wow. Really good, guys. I thought it was gonna be too spicy for me. It is not bad. It is good. Maybe because I just had like that sweet like bread, and now this is just the other aspect of it, the spicy. Yes. If it goes down the wrong hole, it's gonna get you. That is really good, guys. Misal Pav. Okay. So guys, we just stumbled upon this place. It is packed. Everybody's eating. Everyone's having a good time. I love this restaurant, guys. Well, it's not even a restaurant. Do you like this place too? He likes it too. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are taking you on some more food tours, guys. I cannot wait for tomorrow's video. He's ate too much.
3 plates. You know eating. I ate
he had the vada pav and the pav bhaji.
Bhaji. 2. Yes.
Okay, guys, we're gonna polish this off. This is so delicious, guys. You gotta come here.
This is good.
Very good. Okay, guys, we're trying to pick a dessert. I think he should try the chocolate barfi, Alfonso. I don't know if I'm saying that right. He likes the cashew katli. Should we get one of each?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a rose barfi too.
One.
One piece.
Yeah, and then.
Huh? No, we'll eat it here. So,
And then one chocolate barfi.
yeah, one piece.
Yeah.
Oh guys, they have so many different desserts. They even have this interesting rose barfi. How do you say that? Barfi? Barfi. The chocolate barfi.
Already give.
Thank you, thank you.
44.
How much?
44.
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we got our desserts. Alfonso,
Oops, sorry.
here you go. Thank you. Okay, he's gonna tell us his professional opinion. That is the cashew katli.
I know.
You know?
Yeah, I tried it.
Is it good?
I tried it.
Is it good? 10
10
out of 10, can I try it? With the silver on it.
10 out of 10, he says.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, he says.
Very good. Okay, try this one. That's a chocolate one. I'm excited about the chocolate one.
Chocolate and silver.
Chocolate silver, and I think it's made with cashew. Just gotta go figure out which. How is that? That looks so good.
It tastes like this, but different.
I like this one better. It's soft.
I like this
Very
one.
soft.
Oh, good. Now we can have. You can have that, and I can have this. Okay, guys. You want it? Okay. He wants both. Guys, this is such an interesting store. Fast
बहुत अच्छी
food.
वीडियो है।
I feel like it might be open for 24 hours. We'll see. I want to ask. Everybody's eating? So good, guys. All right, guys, that wraps up our second day in
भाई इसकी
Mumbai.
वीडियो देखेंगे सारे।
Okay, Alfonso's like, don't eat it. Okay, take it. Take it with me before I eat it. I did. I took a bite, guys. My fault. It was so good. Guys, this place is awesome. We're just going to walk down this road and see what else we find, guys. Like this video, subscribe, and on that note, just
Subscribe this channel.
keep on dancing.
मजा आया यार, मजा आया।
तो वाकई में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है इस वीडियो को देखकर। और इस वीडियो में फास्ट फूड और स्वीट जो शॉप दिखाई गई है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ी है और इतना वामदार रश है वहाँ पर। बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया इनकी शॉप को देखकर। और इनकी शॉप में जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग बात मुझे लगी वो ये थी कि मेन्यू लगे हुए बहुत ही ज़्यादा, और जो सा आपका दिल कर रहा है, जो चीज़ आप खाना चाहते हैं वो मेन्यू देखें और आराम से खा सकते हैं। और बेशुमार मेन्यू है और जिसको देखकर मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। और जिस तरह इन्होंने वो खाया बड़ा पाव और पाव भाजी, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़े की थी, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा। मेरा भी बड़ा दिल कर रहा है खा लूँ।
अच्छा, इस बंदे ने ना खाई हुई है सारी, इसको सारा पता है। मुझे जब वो पाव भाजी बना रहा था, ये मुझे कह रहा था कि पाव भाजी बना रहा है। मैं कहा तुझे कैसे पता? कहता मैंने खाई हुई है, वो ऐसे बनाती है। मैं कहा वाह यार, इसने सारे इंडियन फूड ट्राई किए हुए हैं। और मजे की बात ये है कि इसमें जो हमें सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी चीज लगी है वो ये क्लीनेस। वहाँ बहुत ज्यादा क्लीनेस थी, साफ सुथरा होता कि आपको खाने का भी मजा आएगा। बात तो दिए ना लोग है वहाँ बंदे का बैठने का दिल नहीं करता, लेकिन वो ये जगह नहीं थी। यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा साफ सुथरा होता, आप जो नहीं जाना चाहेगा वो भी जाएगा, वो भी बोलेगा हमने भाई जाके फूड बनाना है। फ्रेश फूड है, वो भी नहीं एक बना के रखा हुआ है। आप जब आपने ऑर्डर करना है फ्री वो बनेगा, फूड बना के आपके आगे पेश किया जाएगा, ले जी आप खाएं। तो उसका अपनी मजा है यार। इन्होंने जितने फूड दिखाए, जितने भी इसमें बर्गर थे वो डिफरेंट किस्म के थे यार। मैंने ये सारे बर्गर आई थिंक मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखे भाई। मैंने पाकिस्तान में ज़्यादा खाया है, सिंगल बर्गर खाया है, उसके बाद अंडा बर्गर खाया या शामी बर्गर खाया, मगर ये जो बर्गर इन्होंने दिखाए हैं ये डिफरेंट बर्गर थे और मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखे हैं। लेकिन इस बंदे ने खीर की हुई है, इसने तुम्हें पाई हुई है, इसने खाई है, इसने अकेला खा लेता, हमें पता नहीं है। अभी जब ये वीडियो को बन रहे थे तो ये मुझे बताता जा रहा था कि भाई ये चीज बन रही है। मैंने बोला वाह यार वाह, इसने सारे फूड इंडियन ट्राई किए हुए हैं और मुझे तो इसमें यार मजा आया देख के।
बहुत मजा आया खाने में, बहुत मजा आया वीडियो देखकर। और क्या आपको मजा आया?
अच्छा जी वाह, बस तो वाकई इसमें और इस पे अनाने भी कमाल की वीडियो शूट की है। इनके जो एक्सप्रेशन थे वो बहुत ज्यादा कमाल थे। जब भी इन्होंने वो एक बाइट ली, ओ वाओ ग्रेट, मजेदार। तो वाकई ऐसा ही है, ये फूड बहुत ही मजे के थे और मुझे वो चाचा जी पे बहुत हंसी आई थी। वो ब्रिटिश बने हुए थे,
समोसा खा रहे थे, उनका समोसा दिखाया गया ये देख मैं राजू
वो
को यार समोसा खाने में इतना टाइम
कांटे और चम्मच उनने बहुत पड़ा हुआ था कि मैं खाऊं
कैसे खाऊं। मैंने कहा था पहली दफा वो कांटे और चम्मच के साथ समोसा खा, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था।
मजे की बात है मुझसे वो टूटे नहीं थे।
और वो तो समोसा तो एक ऐसी चीज है कि जिसको आप देखते सारे खा जाओ। और उसके वो समोसा तोड़ा ही जा रहा था।
वैसे यार समोसे देते तो मोटू को एनर्जी मिलती थी।
मोटू को वैसे ही समोसों से एनर्जी मिलती थी, वो उसको ताकत आ जाती थी। तो पापा जी की ताकत डाउन हो गई थी। समोसे को खा खा रहे थे।
क्या है पापा जी
और यहाँ की स्वीट भी बहुत मजे की थी, वो मैंने देखी है कि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा सोच ही आप दिल कर रहा है आपका स्वीट खाने का बहुत।
भाई मैं तो फैन हो गया पे उड़ गया यार देखकर, मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसमें। जितनी भी उन्होंने स्वीट दिखाई हैं, जितने भी स्वीट से बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग थे और जबरदस्त है यार। एक
खाना
एक चीज तो ये होती है कि जब इन्होंने आगाज किया था ना खाने पीने का, तो देख के यार हमारे मुंह से पानी आ रहा था। मैं तो वीडियो को दिला नहीं सकूं, बोल रहा था यार ऑर्डर करो हम भी मंगवा के खाएं, लेकिन मैंने बोला कि नहीं यार पहले वीडियो देख लें पूरी, उसके बाद फिर जाके हम भी बाहर खाएंगे। तो बाकी बहुत मजे का था। ऐसे फूड्स को देख के तो बंदे के वैसे मुंह में पानी आ जाता है यार। जिसने नहीं खाना उसने भी कहना यार ले आओ मैं भी खा लो, मैं भी चेक कर लो किससे मजा है। मगर इन्होंने टेस्ट सारे किए हैं, जितने भी यहाँ के बर्गर थे इसने सब टेस्ट किए हैं, इनको बहुत मजा आया है और उन्होंने बोला बाकी अच्छी हैं। और साथ जो उनका बेटा या भांजा या वो हमें नहीं पता कौन है, मगर वो भी कह रहा था कि यार बहुत ही मजे का यार, वो भी कह रहे थे मजे का। और लास्ट टाइम जब उसने बर्फी खाई तो वो कह रहा था ये कौन से मैंने ही खानी है, इतनी मुझे पसंद आई है। तो आज की वीडियो मजे की थी, मगर चाचू ने फील कर दिया उनके जो उनका दादा था वो बहुत ही ब्रिटिश था, वो ब्रिटिश माहौल में खाए थे ताकि उनको पता ना चले कि भाई हम भी ऐसे नहीं, ऐसा होना चाहिए यार, अगर कोई अच्छा बंदा हो तो आप भी ऐसे करें। तो बड़ा पाव भी काफी मजे का था यार, देखकर मजा आया, हमने एंजॉय किया, होप कि आप लोगों ने भी एंजॉय किया होगा। अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इस वीडियो में कमेंट्स करना और कमेंट्स करके बताएं यार अगली कौन सी वीडियो हम किस वीडियो पे रिएक्शन दें और कौन सी वीडियो बनाएं। तो साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज।